Now, this is one way to style the button, but mind you, if you have this kind of class in multiple places, more than one place, that means this effect is going to affect the button elsewhere as well. But the moment you style it this way, you call on the button container and you call the button itself. So you are trying to sell this style is meant for the button that is under the button container. So if you have any other button that is called btn as a class elsewhere, this style won't affect the button. So any which way you apply it is perfect. This is called relational selector. So I'm going to have it this way. Moving forward, I need to style the over. So I'm going to style the btn. This effect is to occur when the mouse is over the button. So let's see. All right, so on my mouse over, the background white is gone, is now transparent, and the border is more solid. Yeah, so that's the effect. So since I have that done, the next thing I want to do is to come up with the content for the pop-up. So here I'm going to have what we know as comments. This is just to demarcate where the pop-up is going to start and where it's going to end. No big deal. The program, the translator is not going to read these two texts, or let me say these two lines, based on I just comment it out. But for the developer, is to guide us that okay, all we have here is the pop-up. I want to have a div right now, class, sorry, a div class, here I'm going to have h2, and here the paragraph. So for now I don't have a kind of content I want to use, so I'm going to use the default text, which is known as Lome. So just tap the enter. It's giving me some contents. All right, so since I have this, I also want to have another div. This div I want to have a class called info. I'm going to have two buttons. I'm going to name this one button 1. I'm going to copy and duplicate it for the second button. It's going to be button 2. And this will take no Thanks. So let me save and let's see what we have. Okay, so now that I have it here, the next thing I want to do is I want to style the content. So going to my CSS, I'm going to work on the pop-up. So here I have the position, absolute. The values I'm passing here, you might not get it accurately, but I'm having these values based on it's what I've done before, so I know the exact values. When I was also starting this, I couldn't get the exact values, so I had to, try apply some values, check it back again to get the exact value I want. So for me, doing it this way doesn't mean I already know, or doesn't mean you need to know the values you want to render. If you have to do it, you can apply some values and check it out and see if it's working, so you can move on. That's for the effect. So I need to call on transform. So let's check it out. So here I have the contents.